Have you ever noticed how your mind replays the same thought again and again? Something you said, something you should have said, something that might happen. And no matter how tired you are, your brain just refuses to stop. Here's the surprising truth. Your brain is not broken. It is doing exactly what it was designed to do. But in the modern world, that design often turns against us. This is ThinkWise, and today, you'll understand why your brain gets addicted to overthinking, and more importantly, how to break the cycle. Overthinking is not simply thinking too much. Psychologically, it's a loop. A loop where the brain searches for certainty, but never finds it. Your brain evolved in a world full of danger. Uncertainty once meant real risk, a predator, hunger, or loss. So the brain learned one powerful rule. If something is unclear, keep thinking until it feels safe. That system worked for survival. But today, uncertainty looks very different. A delayed text, a future decision, a mistake from the past. The brain reacts the same way, even when there's no real threat. Inside your brain, a small structure called the amygdala detects uncertainty. It doesn't ask whether the danger is real or imagined. It simply sounds the alarm. Once activated, your thinking brain, the prefrontal cortex, tries to solve the problem. And that's where overthinking begins. You replay scenarios, you imagine outcomes, you analyze every possibility. Not because it helps, but because your brain believes thinking equals safety. This is why overthinking feels compulsive. It's not logic, it's conditioning. And like any habit, it can be changed. The first step is surprisingly simple. Name the thought. Instead of saying, "This will go wrong," say, "I'm having the thought that this will go wrong." This small shift creates psychological distance. You're no longer inside the thought, you're observing it. Research shows that naming thoughts reduces emotional intensity. The brain begins to calm because the threat feels less immediate. The second technique is called a worry window. Your brain overthinks because it believes worry is urgent, so give it a schedule. Choose 10 minutes each day. Only 10. Tell yourself, if this worry matters, I'll think about it at that time. When the thought appears outside the window, gently postpone it. This trains your brain that not every thought deserves attention right now. Within days, the intensity begins to drop. Not because you suppressed thoughts, but because you taught your brain boundaries. The third step is the most powerful. Shift from imagination to action. Overthinking lives in imagined futures and rewritten pasts. Action lives in the present. Ask yourself one question. What is one small step I can take right now? Not the perfect solution, not the final answer. Just one tiny, real action. Even writing a sentence, sending one message, taking one breath. Action tells the brain, I'm handling this. And when the brain senses control, the alarm quiets down. Overthinking is not a personality flaw. It's a habit loop built on fear, repetition, and temporary relief. Breaking it doesn't mean stopping thoughts. That's impossible. It means changing your relationship with them, from automatic reaction to conscious response. So the next time your mind starts racing, remember this. Your brain is not your enemy. It's trying to protect you, using outdated rules. When you name the thought, schedule the worry, and take small action, you teach your brain a new rule. I am safe, even without endless thinking. And that is where clarity begins. If this helped you understand your mind better, like the video, subscribe to ThinkWise, and comment the one thought your brain overthinks the most. Because awareness is the first step toward freedom.